In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect XM to Metatrader 5. We'll start by setting up your XM account, then we'll log in through the Metatrader 5 platform so you can begin trading. Open your preferred web browser and search for XM. From the results, click through to the official XM website. You're looking for the account sign-up area where you'll see options to register quickly using Apple, Google, or Facebook, or to continue with your email. Any of those methods will work, but using an email you check regularly is helpful because XM will send important account details there. Click Get Started, and when prompted, choose your country of residence. Make sure this is accurate. It affects the services you see and the regulatory protections that apply to your account. Next, enter your email address and create a strong password. Use a unique password you don't reuse elsewhere, and consider a password manager so you can keep it secure. When everything looks good, click Register. After registration, keep an eye on your inbox and your client area at XM. Your trading account credentials, especially your login number and the server name, are crucial for the MetaTrader connection. Have those details handy. With your XM account created, it's time to move into the MetaTrader 5 desktop application. Open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once it's launched, look to the left side of the screen for the Navigator panel. If it's minimized, expand it. In that panel, you'll see a section labeled Accounts. Click on Accounts to highlight it, then right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From that menu, choose Login to Trade Account. This is the gateway that connects your local MetaTrader platform to your XM trading account. A login window will appear. In the Login field, type the trading account number you received from XM. This is typically a numeric ID and is not the same as your email. In the password field, enter the trading password you set or that was assigned to you. Double check for typos. Passwords are case sensitive, and a single wrong character will prevent a successful connection. Next, select the correct server. In the server field, choose the XM server that matches the details XM provided. The exact server name can vary depending on whether your account is real or demo, and sometimes by region. If you see multiple XM servers, pick the one listed in your XM account information. If the list is long, start typing XM to filter. Choosing the correct server is essential. The right credentials on the wrong server will not connect. When your login, password, and server look correct, click OK. MetaTrader will attempt to connect. If the connection is successful, you'll see the green and red connection indicators in the lower right corner, and your account will appear under the Accounts section in the Navigator panel, often with your balance visible. If you get an error like invalid account or no connection, review the login number, re-enter the password carefully, and confirm the server matches what XM provided. Small details matter here, so take a moment to verify each field. A couple of practical tips to keep things smooth. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your password in the platform. Keep your credentials private and stored securely. If you have multiple XM accounts, say a demo and a real account, repeat the same login process for each as needed, always selecting the correct corresponding server. And if you're new to the platform, once connected, you can open a chart to confirm market data is streaming, which also confirms your connection. That's it. You searched for XM, click through to the site, registered your account by choosing your country, entering your email and password, and completing registration. Then you open MetaTrader 5, went to the Accounts area on the left, right-click to choose Login to Trade Account, entered your XM login and password, selected the correct XM server, and clicked OK to connect. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be ready to trade through XM on MetaTrader 5 with confidence.